To learn more about PCGrate, visit PCGrate.com. International Intellectual Group Incorporated is a world leader in modeling of the diffraction gratings efficiency for spectroscopy, astronomy, telecommunications, photolithography, and nanotechnology. Since our commercial debut, we sold more than 500 packages to recognized governmental and military laboratories, private companies, universities and research centers. Our 30-year success was the creation of PCGrate, a tool for analysis and optimization of absolute diffraction gratings efficiency by an accurate boundary integral equation method. Our team has been working with world-leading manufacturers of ruled and holographic diffraction gratings, as well as with governmental labs and private companies. The PCGrate team was the first to create a PC-oriented software for exact analysis and optimization of relief and phase gratings efficiency. Today, optical engineers and scientists all over the world make use of PCGrate codes as a research tool to simulate spectroscopic and micro or nanoelectronic and photonic systems. The prime object of our activity is to bridge the gap between theory and experiment for all types of gratings, and to provide researchers with more versatile tools and methods for increasing performance of the next generation of photonics devices. PCGrate software enable the user to accurately solve periodic boundary value problems, which describe the incidence of a light beam on the relief or phase diffraction grating, zone plate or rough mirror. With PCGrate, one can simulate effects of scattering in periodical and non-periodical structures having multilayer micro and nano roughnesses of various nature, design variable groove depth. There are two types of solvers available in PCGrate, penetrating and separating. The solvers have different behavior and mutually complementary capabilities for many difficult cases such as coated gratings with thin layers, randomly rough periodical or non-periodical structures, grazing incidents, and photonic crystals. PCGrate software also includes two separate applications, Refractive Index Editor and Border Profile Editor. With Refractive Index Editor, you can create, edit, import, and export refractive index libraries. Border Profile Editor is a tool that makes working with border profile functions easy and convenient. It comes with several pre-installed border types. Additionally, you can modify the borders using such embedded operations as randomization, polygonization, and spline fitting. It is also possible to export the results in a more favorable format, including CSV, Microsoft Excel, and XML formats. 1D and 2D scannings allow users to vary one or two independent parameters to solve grating efficiency tasks more conveniently. 3D and 2D efficiency plots allow one to visualize the results obtained with 2D and 1D scannings. Our codes are indispensable for efficiency calculations in diverse problems, the X-ray EUV range and very small wavelength to period ratios, echelons and grisms at diffraction order numbers ranging from low to very high, thousands, taking rigorously into account periodical and random roughnesses of any kinds, and many others. The codes are especially convenient and accurate for modeling with the real border profile function. An example of this type is the case of groove profiles determined by an atomic force microscope, a transmission electron microscope, a microinterferometer, a stylus profilometer, and also by indirect methods like actual growth modeling, and so on. The PCGrate software available for Windows OS machines from Windows Vista to Windows 11. PCGrate series allow one to perform calculations in wider ranges of diffraction orders, the greater number of layers, and with the smaller minimal wavelength to period ratio. The PCGrate software is a copy-protected program, it requires a license to be used. There are two types of PCGrate licenses available, perpetual and permanent. The perpetual license includes free upgrades to the next PCGrate versions and 2 years of technical support. The permanent license includes only 1 year of technical support and does not include upgrades. Both types of licenses are available as pure software keys. The PCGrate software comes in 3 different types, GUI, XML, and Complete. The XML type makes it possible to calculate the grating efficiency from the command line with input-output data in XML format. The GUI type allows to obtain the calculated data using graphical user interface and work with results including saving, copying, exporting, plotting, printing, and so on. The complete type includes both of these interfaces. AIG Incorporated is based in the USA, New York, but we also have distributors in India and China.